processor, before I remove this paste and put some fresh paste that'll pick up on dust and stuff, I'm going to remove the dust. Clean this son of a bitch. Excuse my French. 4 screws. Clean it out. We'll be ready to put some paste on. This is for my darling wife's computer. Okay, fan almost disconnected. Set it out of the way. Okay, I'm going to take this here card and just clean it out. Step 1, a place for the dust to go. Step 2, get it the hell out. That's you. I think I've done all I can with look at that shit. With the card, I'm gonna grab a brush so I can brush my teeth. This is my wife's toothbrush, of course. I mean, a toothbrush my wife gave me that was old, of course. Move this out of the way. Give it a good brush up, brush up, brush up. That noise you hear is my compressor. I swear it's not my mouth blowing the dust all over my studio. Okay, look at that shit. That's incredible. Look at that. Meow.